The inline press was the inspired creation of a career sheet metal fabricator who complained about the reliability and low productivity of the automated equipment that was available to his trade. The resulting machine is completely revolutionary and bears almost no resemblance to its predecessors, beyond the fact that they both punch and form sheet metal. A few of its multitude of innovations include a tool capacity for up to 576 individual tools, as well as 12 auto-index tools, and over double the productivity of existing CNC turret punches. It also has the capacity to integrate many small Class A die sets, thus replacing them and their associated presses. The inline press is the ideal just-in-time machine for both the contract manufacturer and captive fabrication operators. Benefits of the inline press are noticed immediately upon placing a sheet into the clamping system. The operator no longer needs to precisely locate the edge of the material, since this press will automatically locate the edge upon start of the program. Simply place the material in the clamp, depress the foot switch, and hit the start button. The inline press takes over from there. The sheet advances, the edge is detected, and programmed locations are executed automatically. Tooling magazines are at the heart of the innovation. None of the tooling is ever moved to the punch. The punch is moved to the tooling. With this arrangement, the development of punch die misalignment is not possible. Magazines can be built to hold as many as 36 individual punches. They can also be designed for any combinations of up to C-size tools. The machine is designed to hold 16 individual magazines, so the customer is likely able to design a configuration that never needs changing. Magazines are able to accept many punches and dies currently in use by the user's existing machines. Up to 4 magazines can be configured as auto-index stations, each with 3 individual tools for a total of 12 auto-index tools. Individual punches within a magazine are selected, and the magazine is securely clamped to the ram, which is then lowered to punching height as a solid unit. Punching forces are distributed efficiently through the punching stroke while the tool is fixed firmly to the ram. This configuration eliminates repetitive tool motion within the holder, which reduces wear and heat generation, thus extending tool life. When ready for punching, the associated die plate is lifted and locked into position ready for use with its mating punching magazine. When mounting the punch and die plates, index locations assure alignment of tool center lines to within less than half of 1/1000th of an inch to ensure clearance between punch and die provides optimum performance of the tool. The inline press is fitted with 2 rams, which allows the manufacturer to punch 2 parts simultaneously. In addition to the obvious increase in productivity when dual punching, having 2 rams creates numerous additional benefits. With 2 rams, the manufacturer has the flexibility to select tooling from either the side A or the side B. When single side punching, the other side can be readied with the next tool called into the program. This results in 0 tool change and less overall cycle time for the part. One of the many benefits of the magazine design is that the punch remains stationary. It does not move up and down through the holder. The entire magazine is pressed by the ram, and the punch is driven through the material as the stripper plate compresses. The result is dramatically fewer parts required for tooling and dramatically longer punch life. Each ram is fitted with a large torque motor capable of providing 22 tons of force to the punch. By driving the punch electromechanically, a more smooth and quiet punching stroke can be achieved. Additionally, the noise and mess of hydraulic power systems are eliminated. The control system is state-of-the-art and designed for simplicity. Operator interface is provided via a large LCD touchscreen. The main operator screen provides an operator with all full functions and displays necessary for day-to-day operations. There is also a login facility to inhibit or allow access to parameter and maintenance areas of the software. The layout describes to the control where each punch is located relative to the magazine index pin. These are simple spreadsheet files that can be selected as a magazine of tooling is installed. These data tables also store valuable data from the control system that indicate performance of the tool. Tool life monitoring provides valuable cost data to management, but also allows for changing tool selection on the fly when a tool has reached its prescribed performance limit and an identical tool is available in the magazine. This and several other unique patented features of the inline press dramatically increase the productive utilization of the machine by reducing time associated with tool maintenance during production. Each controlled access has a manual operation screen. These are designed to be intuitive and simple to navigate. Each access can be turned on or off, homed, and positioned either continuously or to an absolute position at user selectable speeds. Individual switched outputs also have touchscreen control. An administration area is provided with many tools for the user and maintenance personnel. Here we have screens for monitoring status of devices, inputting and modifying machine parameters, setting speed ranges, and selecting the on-off status of each RAM. In addition, a page is available to monitor the usage of any of the up to 576 tools. This data is valuable in the management of tool wear and can also be used to automatically switch to sharp tools which are loaded in the machine for use when a tool is dull. This allows for tool maintenance to be performed when the machine is not in production. When parts are needed, the operator simply selects from a file display of programs and loads it for running. Programs are easily generated on the control using a prompting system that safeguards against omitting required information for the numerous auto routines provided. Programs can also be developed offline and sent to the control via network or portable memory. Program data is stored as G-code programs in readable text with several additional G and M codes available for the expanded capability of this machine. In most cases, current user programs can be simply modified to function on the inline press. A start button is provided on the main display, or the user can use the start button on the switch panel. An automatic unloader comes as standard equipment with the inline press. The operator can select how the sheet will be handled at the end of a program run. If the switch on the panel is set to return, the sheet is presented back to the operator for manual unload, or, as in this case, reorientation. Of course, clamp position is also available during operation and requires no secondary hold downs, since this function is provided by the stripper plates on the magazine. When the operator selects Auto on the switch panel, the sheet is sent to the unload side and the unload conveyor is activated to drive the sheet onto the stack. So what do all these innovations mean to our customers? First, consider plant floor utilization. Floor space is valuable. Just figuring half the maximum for tooling capacity and the associated productivity gains, only one inline press could perform the tasks of up to 5 58-tool turret presses. Furthermore, as you see in this productivity study, while the inline press produces 411 parts, the turret press produces only 156 parts. The productivity of the inline press beats existing turret presses by far greater than 2 to 1. The inline press is the most revolutionary product available to sheet metal fabricators in decades. It will certainly lead owners to a much desired competitive advantage over those who still operate turret punch machines. We encourage prospective customers to allow us to provide more in-depth information specific to your needs in order to fully appreciate the impact that the inline press could have on your company's profitability.